Hey guys, and welcome back to our channel Tech AI. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to change the theme in the Perplexity AI mobile application. Now let us begin. Do note that I have already logged into my account. In case you have not, do it right now. It's quite easy. In case you don't know how to, worry not. We have created a video regarding that as well. Now let's simply look at how to change the theme. At the top left, right next to Perplexity, you will see a button like this. That is your account. Click on it right now, and then you will be redirected to the settings page. From here, as you can see, there are multiple options ranging from simply changing your username to disabling AI data usage. But right now what you guys need to do is simply scroll down till you see something called as theme. Right here under the appearance tab, you can see a button like this, that is theme. Click on it right now. And guys, this is it. From here, you can shift between dark mode and light mode. Simply click on whatever you wish. For now, I'm simply gonna click on dark theme. And guys, that is it. That's how you change your theme in Perplexity AI mobile application. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.